were doing 25 pull-ups, 25 chin-ups, and 25 dips within 5 minutes. Keep the pace steady. Good. Just staying with the pace. Right now we at 20 pulls, 10 chin-ups. We already had 20 dips. Let's get 30 dips. Stay with it. Look good, look good. 2 minutes down. 2 minutes down, we already got 30 dips, 20 pulls, 10 chin-ups. We do 25 of each within 5 minutes. Stay with it. Smooth. You want to be able to pull. The key is to pull each exercise. Want to keep the tension on. So to keep your cardio up and just be able to keep the tension on the muscles. That's the whole point. A lot of reps. Pump as much blood until the muscle's possible. That's the goal. 3 minutes down. It's cool to while you're doing this workout, this warm-up is to just keep your breathing together. As you see, I breathe heavy, but we staying in control. Go and finish up the dips at least. 10 more dips. That'll equal to 50 dips. I mean, hold on. Yeah, almost 50 dips. We overachieving because I wanted to do 25, but we overachieving. Because usually I do 50, but I was trying to make it a little bit lower because this is a beginner workout. We're going to talk a little bit about the motivation as well. Because while you're doing this, let's get 5 more. While you're doing this workout, it'll help with that motivation. Motivation is what's going to keep you going. We got 25 dips, and then we're good. Pumping. Whole purpose, biceps. Smooth. After you finish this, finish about 4 and some change. What you're going to do is, you're going to wait about 2 minutes, then we're going to get to the workout. This is, again, if you're just coming through, beginner workout for this winter arc that we're on. Calisthenics edition. Because over here at Calisthenics Workout Complex, Calisthenics Workout Complex, God, calisthenics, and masculinity. Today, this is the beginning portion. And we're going to talk a lot about motivation today. Is it real?